Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Homestay Study Mate. Hope all of you are well. In today's video, I will discuss important topics related to Tripura current affairs for the month of February 2020. So, let's start the video. Our first question is, Rashtriya Vaishri Yojana is implemented by which department? Options are Health and Family Welfare, Food and Civil Supplies, Education, Social Welfare and Social Education. And the right answer is Social Welfare and Social Education Department. Question number 2. Food Corporation of India is directly procuring paddy from the farmers of Tripura at minimum support price. What is the new price for procurement of per kg paddy? And the options are 17 rupees 15 paisa, 17 rupees 50 paisa, 18 rupees 50 paisa, 18 rupees 15 paisa. And the answer is 18 rupees 15 paisa. Question number 3. Miss Ashmita De of Tripura is associated with which discipline of sports? Options are chess, gymnastics, judo, football. And the right answer is judo. Question number 4. In the month of February, a special project, namely Kishori Utkarsh Manch, was organized by which of the following departments? Options are Youth Affairs and Sports, Social Welfare and Social Education, Education, none of these. And the right answer is Education. Question number 5. Project Sagar Mitra is associated with which sector? And the options are tourism, agriculture, pisciculture, drinking water and sanitation. And the right answer is pisciculture. Question number 6. Name the gymnast who bagged 4 gold medals in the girls under 17 gymnastics competition at the 3rd Khelo India Youth Games held in Guwahati this year. And the options are Upasha Talukdar, Priyanka Dasgupta, Ashmita Paul, none of them. And the right answer is Priyanka Dasgupta. Question number 7. Joint meeting of Indo-Bangla Cluster 5 between district magistrates and district collectors was held on 5th February 2020 at Agartala. What was the venue for the meeting? Options are Pragya Bhavan, Civil Secretariat, State Guest House, Sukanta Auditorium. And the right answer is State Guest House. Question number 8. In Tripura, Hornbill Point is located in which place? The options are near Trishna Sanctuary, near Shipahijala Sanctuary, near Tepania Eco Park, near Baramura Eco Park. And the right answer is near Baramura Eco Park. Question number 9. In the budget of Tripura for the financial year 2020-21, basic customs duty on imports of newsprint and lightweight coated paper reduced from? Options are 18% to 10%, 10% to 5%, 15% to 7%, none of these. And the right answer for this is 10% to 5%. Question number 10. In the State of States survey carried out by India Today magazine in November 2019, which state was also adjudged the most improved small state? And the options are Goa, Sikkim, Tripura, none of these. And the right answer for that is Tripura. Question number 11. Recently, Tripura has bagged how many national awards for successful implementation of flagship schemes of the Ministry of Rural Development? Options are 10 numbers, 15 numbers, 12 numbers, 13 numbers. And the right answer for that is 13 numbers. Question number 12. To promote the tea sector along with the Tripura tea logo, which tea brand has been launched? Options are Tripura Green Tea, Tripura Valley Tea, Tripureshwari Tea, none of these. And the answer is Tripureshwari Tea. Question number 13. In Tripura, 2 more border huts are being set up at options are Bilonia and Khowai, Ragna and Kamalpur, Sonamura and Bilonia, none of these. And the right answer is Ragna and Kamalpur. Question number 14. In Tripura, Elephant Conservation Reserve is in Atharamura. Likewise, conservation breeding program for resident white rampant vulture and Himalayan vulture is in which place? The options are Udaipur, Bilonia, Khowai, none of these. And the right answer is Khowai. Question number 15. Which village of Tripura has been awarded under Nanaji Deshmukh Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar 2019? Options are Barjala Binapani GP of Jirania RD Block, Madhya Singichara GP of Khowai RD Block, Krishnanagar GP of Kumarghat RD Block, none of these. And the right answer is Madhya Singichara GP of Khowai RD Block. Question number 16. Which village of Tripura has been awarded the Child Friendly Gram Panchayat Award 2019? And the options are Chandrapur Village GP of Matawari RD Block, Sachindranagar GP of Jirani RD Block, Betaga GP of Bokapa RD Block, none of these. And the right answer is Chandrapur Village GP of Matawari RD Block. Question number 17. Atal Jaldhara mission was launched in the year. Options are December 2018, March 2019, November 2018, none of these. And the right answer is November 2018. Question number 18. Who inaugurated the first international conference on business management on the theme Industrial Development in the Northeastern Region, Challenges and Opportunities at Tripura University? And the options are Honorable Deputy CM Sri Jishnu Dev Verma, Honorable Education Minister Sri Ratan Lal Nath, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Biplab Kumar Deb, none of them. And the right answer is Honorable CM Sri Biplab Kumar Deb. Question number 19. Recently, a high-yielding hybrid clone of which cash crop, namely RR11429, has been introduced to augment the commercial cultivation in the northeast state? Options are tea, bamboo, rubber, pineapple. And the right answer is rubber. Question number 20. Who inaugurated the Indo-Bangla Tourism Festival held on 21st February at Ujjainta Palace? Options are Honorable Tourism Minister Sri Pranajit Singh Roy, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Biplab Kumar Dev, Honorable Revenue Minister Sri N.C. Debbarma. None of them. And the right answer is Honorable Chief Minister Sri Biplab Kumar Dev. Question number 21. Which state became champion in under-17 boys football in 65th National School Games football by defeating Sikkim in 1-0 goals at Umakanta Mini Stadium? And the options are Assam, Manipur, Punjab, Tripura. And the right answer is Tripura. Question number 22. Krishna Saha Memorial State Level Tournament is associated with which sport? The options are football, carom, volleyball, swimming. And the right answer is volleyball. Question number 23. A one-day mega parent-teachers meeting in different schools of the state was held on which date? Options are 8 February, 15th February, 21st February, 9th February. And the right answer is 9th February. Question number 24. Green Bogie service for transportation of perishable agricultural products, fruits and vegetables will be attached to which one of the following trains? Options are Devghar Express, Rajdhani Express, Kanchenjunga Express, Humsafar Express. And the right answer for that is Kanchenjunga Express. Question number 25. Recently, foundation stone laying program of administrative building of Coconut Development Board held at which place among the given options below? Options are Kalachara, Sabrum, Raishabari, Gandachara, Narikal Kunj, Dumbur, Kamalghat, Mohanpur. And the right answer is Kalachara, Sabrum. Question number 26. Which of the archaeological sites of the state will be enlisted as one of the World Heritage Sites as per the UNESCO guidelines? Options are Boxanagar, Chabimura, Pilak, Unakoti. And the right answer for that is Unakoti.